No, no, no. Alright, fine.
Get them, Elijah. Yay.
No, I mean like over my head. See, like you don't go over my head. Ah!
You have clothes falling up fast.
What? I don't want.
I mean, well, picture it. And like,
Whatever, I'm just gonna want to slide. Oh! Whoa! You're gonna slap me!
Jeremy, you can't put your weight on it, okay?
Huh?
Don't put your weight on it, you'll break it.
I'm not putting my weight on. You're putting your weight on me.
ew, cut! Be above me, directly above me.
Ew.
Hope they don't